Proverb, whose real name is Teboho Tekiso, revealed on DJ Lemonga's podcast that he left hip-hop because of financial realities. He shared that after spending about 100,000 to buy his masters and facing a quote of 150,000 rand for his next project, he realized the costs outweighed the returns. At the same time, his children's school fees were also around 100,000 each. Faced with this choice, he decided to prioritize his family. Fans reacted with mixed emotions. They praised his honesty, saying Proverb chose responsibility over fame. Others expressed sadness, noting that his lyrical talent shaped South African hip-hop. His story reflects a broader issue: the high cost of sustaining a music career in South Africa without guaranteed returns. Proverb's decision highlights the tension between passion and practicality, something many creators face. Proverb's journey reminds us that sometimes stepping back isn't about quitting. It's about choosing stability and family over uncertainty. His legacy in hip-hop remains intact, even if he's no longer dropping albums. What do you think of Proverb's decision? Was it the right move to put family first, or should passion always come before practicality? Drop your thoughts in the comments.